Today we are going to talk about how to remove background from, maybe if you have an image then you want to remove the background. We are going to talk about that one. So we just go straight. I have two softwares to show you guys. One's called W.bg and the other one will be showed in the latter part of this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be grateful, very grateful if you do so. That will help me with this channel. Okay, well, let's go straight. The first one is called Remove.bg. So this is how it is. This is how everything looks like. Just click on this one. As for this one, take note there's no need to sign up or sign. Yeah, I think we have to update the software. At first, there was no need to sign up or sign. Anyway, you can click on this one and choose. So click on this one. Then wait for the magic to happen. So to find something on your soft, you can edit it in Canva. You just click on, if you want to download it, just click on download. Click on this one. Let's see the preview. How is it? So you're going to click on save. It will save it directly to your device. So this save it. This is how it is. Okay. So I don't want this video to be long. I want this video to be very short. So the second one, you can also adjust maybe anything, but you have to open it in Canva. Yeah. Maybe you can do everything, but you have to open it in Canva. I think they are in collaboration with Canva. So anyway, the second website I'm going to talk about is called Photopea. Please, if you have made it with this part, please kindly like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. I'll be very grateful if you subscribe to this channel. Very grateful. Anyway, let's go. So first of all, you have to create an account here. So you have to create an account before. I'm already having an account, so there's no need to create a new account. So if you want to remove the background, you can click on this one. Or if you want to add just remove an object, not actually a background. You are removing an object from a photo. So you can use this software for that one too. Also, you have a software for purposely for this retouch system. So if you want to remove the background, you just click on select photos. Then it's not the photo that I already did. So I think I selected this one. Let me choose a different one. You then click on open. Then you wait, see how fire magic will happen. Well, you can see it's very nice. So you can adjust them as it was in Remove.bg. If you want to adjust anything, you have to go to Canva, right? You have to go to Canva before you can adjust anything. But in Photopea, you can adjust it just here. Do the brightness, everything. So all depend on creativity. Yeah. Okay. I think this one is okay. You can even add outline to it. Let me change the color so that you can see the outline there. Yeah, you can decrease the size. The width, sorry. Okay. Hope this is very helpful. Well, can download this here. Also having many features you can navigate through. You can reach in the size. Also having premium version you can upgrade to. If you want more features, you want to use more features of this software. So this is the end of today's video. I tried to make it very short. I didn't go into any make it very like that. I want to make it very simple. So if you want to download, just click on download. Then fill the name of it. Maybe you got my and click on this one. It will be here. Then click on still and come here. Just right here. So you can see the difference between this and this. It's all up to you to use the software you like. I can't determine the software you want. So it's all up to you. Well, this is the, as I said, this is the end of today's art. And also I think I have to give you guys a bonus. The retouching software I talked about is also called, I don't know whether they have changed that. Yeah, since yeah. But at first I used to make retouch, maybe clean up. Do something like this. You just, for instance, I want to something of the store. This is just a bonus for us, so it's not. Maybe you just click on there, then to automatically change. As usual, if I also download this here as well, just click on here then download. Well, I don't need it. I'm not download it. So that's how it is. So anyway, this is the end of today's lesson. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. I'm very grateful to doing this more and more helpful videos like this. So until then, peace.